Hello viewers, once again you're all welcome to Anatomy Simplified 365. In today's video we're going to learn about the humerus bone, that is the bone of the upper arm. The humerus is the longest bone of the upper limbs. We locate it right in between the elbow and the shoulder. It lies just right here, from the elbow here up to the shoulder. This is the bone we're talking about. Above the humerus we have the scapula, we have the clavicle, then we have the radius and ulna below the humerus. Let's talk about the parts of the humerus bone. We have the head of the humerus, that is just here, and then we have the anatomical neck, that is right here. We also have the lesser tubercle, that is here. We have the greater tubercle, that is right here. We then have the intertubercular groove, that is in between the lesser tubercle and the greater tubercle. Here it is. Then we have the deltoid tuberosity. This is where the deltoid muscle attaches. And then posteriorly we have the radial groove, that is right here. This is where the radial nerve passes. Remember, we have two views here. We have the posterior view, that is on our right, and then on the left we have the anterior view. Then distally we have the trochlea, that is right here. Then we have the capitulum, that is here. We then have the radial fossa, that is this small depression here. Then we have here our coronoid fossa, it's also a depression here. Then medial we have the medial epicondyle here and the lateral epicondyle on the other side. Then we have the supracondylar ridges. We have the lateral supracondylar ridge, that is on this side, and then the medial supracondylar ridge, that is also here. These are basically the parts of the humerus bone that we can talk about right now. What have we left out? I think these are all. And then this is also another illustration. It talks about the same parts. If you look at it here, you find the head here. We have the greater tubercle there. We have the lesser tubercle, that is also here. Intertubercular groove is here. We have maybe one thing we left out was the surgical neck, that is right here. This is where we find the surgical neck. It is this area here, that is the surgical neck. Why do we call it surgical neck? This is where most of the fractures that need surgical repair tend to occur on the humerus bone. Then we have the deltoid tuberosity that we talked about. It's here. We have the capitulum here. We have the trochlea right here. We have the coronoid fossa, that is here. Radial fossa is here. Medial epicondyle is here. Lateral is there. Medial supracondylar ridge is here. Lateral supracondylar ridge is that side. This is what we have. All the parts we've been talking about are here. The head, anatomical neck, greater tubercle, lesser tubercle, intertubercular groove, that is just in between the tubercles, anatomical neck, surgical neck, that is right here. Then we have the deltoid tuberosity, radial groove, and then the capitulum right here. Trochlea is here. Coronoid fossa is right here. Radial fossa is right here. Lateral epicondyle is here. Medial epicondyle is here. Lateral supracondylar ridge, we have it here, and medial supracondylar ridge, we have it right here. That is the brief anatomy of the humerus that we can have for now. In the next video we're going to talk about other things. In case of anything of your interest, keep it in the comments. We shall organize it and we discuss it here with you. Thanks for keeping it Anatomy Simplified 365. See you in the next video.